super, super excited to introduce Laura Wright, who is going to be talking to us about all things Pinterest. Laura is a Pinterest strategist and content creator, and she's passionate about providing simple systems and support so that you guys can realize your untapped potential and uncover all the secrets you need to uncover to really succeed on Pinterest.
I've had a client that organically, without any paid type of programs or ads, reach 71.68, which is very specific because I like to give the real numbers.
Yeah, no rounding up here.
Yeah, nope. That 0.68 I love, right?
Absolutely.
71.68% increase in web traffic. And so they actually had 4 sales that month in the first 30 days of implementing some of the things that I said to implement. And that's not like everybody's going to get that, but because they were following what we were saying to do, and they really took the time to make sure that they were doing the best practices on their account, they started seeing those immediate results, which was absolutely amazing.
Wow. When you say immediate, how immediate was that?